Hey guys, right now I have a busted right brake light here, so we're gonna replace the light. And then how to take this tail light out is you go here on this side. You can see this panel in here, and you will be needing a flat screw. So you have to take this out like this, and then like this. So you take it out. You see these two lock nut. You'll be needing an 11 millimeter to take it out. So let's just wait and see. There, I have took out the two lock nuts. So to unscrew them, you have to do a counterclockwise. That's the unlock, or unscrew it, or to loosen the lock nut is counterclockwise. Okay, now that the lock nut is been removed, so there's a, you know, that the one that connects with here, that you have to pop it out. Maybe you can use this flat screw to move it to the back. So you have to be slowly put it out. There. So let's take this thing out. You see those two sharp looking connection? This is where they connected. That's why you have to take it out slowly. And there's a connector. We have to take that out also, so that we can replace the bulb. Sorry if it's a little bit shaky. So the connection is in this part. Just press it and then take it out. There. Alright. So my problem here is the brake light. So this one. So we have to take this out. So counterclockwise is to unlock. So we have to turn it. There. And then we have to take this thing out. So this is a busted light. And this is my replacement 2357 for this one. So let's see, I will just replace it. Maybe it's just a simple bulb that you can, just like a Christmas light, you have to turn it. I need to put down the camera. Okay. There. So facing this, you have to twist it counterclockwise. There. and then you can take it out. And then let's put this new one here. You see there's a guide where you put this big circle thing or a ball in here. You put it all the way inside and then twist clockwise. There, so it's all good now. And then let's put it back. So the lock, you see there's a lock in here. You have to align it well on this side. You see there's a spacer here, there, and then clockwise. There you go. It's all locked, so there's no pop sound. It's just that you can feel that it's already in the maximum turn. And then we have to put this back, the connection. Remember this side, this is where you're pressing it, on this side. There you go. And then slowly put it back in place. There. So you have to feel it that it's all the way back in. There you go. So we have to push it very hard until it pops back in. There you go. There. So it's all back in now. And then just put back the lock nut, so it's gonna be clockwise to screw it back again. So you have to be very careful not to drop this. It's all the way back in there unless you have a magnet to pick it up. So clockwise, there you go. And then I used 11 millimeter. Maybe you can use 10. Let's see if you can use 10 millimeter. This one, will it fit? Yeah, much tighter. So it's either 11 or 10. This one, I need to tighten a little bit there. Sorry, it didn't focus properly, but that's it. And then put this back on. That's it. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.